Live from Palm Beach Gardens, Florida, it's the Market Update Educated Guessing Show. So please put your hands together for our incredible host, PK. Hey, here we are. Look at this. Welcome, my friends. Welcome to the show. Listen, I want to thank Sammy Schwartz again. This time we got the introduction right. Let me take the glasses off so I can see something. Now listen to this music. Who do we have here? We got Seal. What can we say about Seal? This guy's got talent. One of my favorite singers. In fact, right now, what does he say? We're gonna never survive unless we're a little crazy. This is great. Anyway, we'll put the music off, start the show. There we go. Much better. Here we are. One other thing I want to say about Seal is, what can we say? That song, Kiss from a Rose. Now, this is something brilliantly written. But anyway, let's get right into it now. Again, listen, one more thing. Sammy Schwartz, who gives the introduction, I want to tell you, Sammy, when you get a chance, sometime today, we go pick up my dry cleaning. Yeah, exactly. I got my suits. I need them. I need you to pick them up for me if you have a chance. So anyway, where are we at now? Let's take a look here. Let me bring it up for a market update for this week. What a wild week we had! Wow, a lot of action. Of course, number one, I want to thank. Who do I want to thank? We know who I want to thank. It's our day trading group. I'm not going to say it again and again and again, but I will one last time. Go for 6 for 1 and bet smaller. And now, regarding our gold and silver, this is our first topic of the day for our market update here, is what's happening with that gold and silver. Let's see. Let me look at my notes here. Okay, here we go. I remember last week I said the gold and silver were going lower. What can I say? PK got it wrong. I just can't catch this gold and silver. It just faked out, And this is what's happening. This gold and silver. We had a big day up. I think it was on Thursday. You know what? I'm still gonna call again. I still feel it's going lower. I still see this in a downtrend. It hit some critical point on Thursday. So listen, this gold and silver, I think it's going to hit lower. Then I think we're going to go up. So what do you want me to tell you? Obviously, I'm at the best at this gold and silver. It's been faking me out, but that's how it goes. So let's just see what happens next week. So my call for this week is lower, still in the gold and silver. As I know, in the long run, I think it's a good buy, but not at this place. Now listen, where are we at here? Oh my God, you're not going to believe it. Guess who's sitting in the front row? Oh no, why did you have to come? Sammy, you know what? Sammy Schwartz, go get him for me. But whatever you do, don't eat him because he's not kosher. Bring him to me. Look who's here. Senior Frog. How are you, Senior Frog? You're okay? I love this guy. I did an interview with him, and what does he do? He comes to visit me on the show, and I think I'm going to keep him here. But again, I still don't understand how the hell did you get here? How did you drive that Porsche? How did you drive your stick shift when you don't have any arms? I don't understand this at all. Tell me how you did it. Who drove you? You know what he said? Mrs. Frog. What are we going to do? Okay, Sammy, let's sit here. Excuse me, I'm calling him Sammy. Sammy's he's going to pick up things for me. Anyway, Señor Frog, sit here with us. Because you can see it. Let me see next to our flag. Oh, jeez, Sammy. I keep calling him Sammy. Señor Frog is going to give us, I'm going to go to him actually I'll go to him occasionally to see what he has to say. So what are we going to talk about next? All right. Now look, again, what happened to that Bitcoin? This is one PK got right. What a big call last week. That Bitcoin just took off this week. Hope you guys made some money in that Bitcoin. It really looks, I still think, you know what, I think it's going higher. I really do. I'm looking way around 40,000, 41,000 today. And Saturday, where could we go? At least a short run, 44, 45,000. Let me get this thing going. So my call for the Bitcoin is higher. End of story. Got this one right. Let's see what's next here. Okay. Now let me go over here. Bitcoin. What we're talking about the stocks. You know, I'm following those Reddit group stocks. Let's see if I can find it. Here we are. Okay. Wait, Senator Frog, do you trade this? Do you trade some of those Reddit stocks? Are you following that Wall Street bets? Because I read about these people are making a fortune. Some of these guys, they're buying those options. Are you done anything like that? What? You're not trading. You just said why? I don't understand. You're such a. You've been trading for so many years. Why don't you like it? Jesus, this guy can't speak English. I mean, you know, it's very hard to understand you, but look, I like you. I'll put you back in your place. Keep quiet. Don't talk right now. Okay, where we are with the GameStop. GameStop looks lower, but no call here, so forget about the GameStop. Let's go to AMC. As you know, last week I think AMC is going higher. This whole week was sideways, so really nothing there, you know, but I still like it. I'm going to stay with this call again for this week. I think the AMC, this is the one that still looks right to me. It's still holding this area, and I really believe this should go higher this week. So let's see what happens. Now let's talk about the Amazon. Remember, last week I said that Amazon was going to go higher, and initially did, and then all of a sudden it went higher, and then we had this horrible earnings report on Friday. So I'm going to call it a push, because you should have never taken that trade on the earnings report. You see what happens. In fact, I even did a video about this in the past. You know, this very dangerous, big-time gambling. Now, maybe some of you might have caught it. You bought a put and you thought it was going to came in really worse than expected, but look, now I'm going to make a call on the Amazon. I think it's going lower. This is something that really broke the pattern, and this is something in the long run. Of course, it'll be a good buy, but right now it's going to be a while. So my bet is, for you want to go short stocks, I'd be shorting the Amazon. I think the Amazon is going lower. And the interesting thing is, I'm going to mention too about, you know, kind of tied into the NQ traders, NQ and the S&P and the EU stock index futures. You know, they really kind of go together. My whole take is that, yeah, we're sitting up here, but I'm going to stick my neck out, because Señor Frog doesn't have a neck, so somebody's got to do it, right, Señor Frog? Where the hell is your neck? You weren't born with one? Oh, okay. Well, look, you don't have any arms either. I don't know how you drive your Porsche. But look, first of all, do you have an opinion about the Amazon? I mean, Amazon's been a big winner. Don't you do a lot of online shopping? We do. We buy so many products on Amazon. What do you do? What? So tell me in my ear. Yeah. Señor Frog does some shopping on Amazon. He said Mrs. Frog likes to buy stuff on Amazon. Who doesn't? What great service they have. But look, it's going lower. That's all I can tell you. Let's go over to the Tesla right now. Oh, geez, we've gone 10 minutes. Tesla. But let me just quickly take a look at my notes here, because I want to make sure I tell you the right thing. Yeah. Yeah, I got this one wrong. PK got this Tesla wrong. I said it would go lower. The thing broke higher. And now what do I think? You know what? It's going higher. I like Tesla. I thought we'd go lower first, down to like 630, 635, give us some great entry, but it's just shot up. We're at 687, and the Tesla looks like it wants to go higher. So my call for this week is Tesla's going up. Let's see. So that's it. Let me see about the stocks. As I mentioned about the stock index futures, look, I'm going to repeat myself again. is that the NQ, you know, for all of you who've been picking tops for the last couple of weeks, you know how I feel about this, a huge mistake. And you shouldn't do it. But now I see some weakness. So, you know, depending on your setup and how you get in, I think from this point on, so my call, is going to be again lower in those stock index features. In fact, wait a second. I just realized, I didn't smoke a cigarette. And wait a second, I'm in the studio. Hey, Sammy Schwartz, can I smoke in the studio? That's what I want to know. What? I can't? You look, you only lived once, remember? I'm 62. What are you going to do? Throw me in jail? I don't wear a mask. At least I can smoke. I'll take one hit of a cigarette real quickly and wrap this show up. There we go. God, it's so quiet. Why is that studio audience clapping? Where the hell are you guys? Where is nobody? Only Senator Frog sat in the front row. Okay, so let's wrap this thing up. How did PK do? Let me get my notes here. So how did PK do from the previous week? Let me tell you this. PK did the following. Let's see. Big winner in the Bitcoin. This was a big call, a really big move. I believe went up about 78,000, and this is a big win. So I had really one winner from last week's show. What did I get wrong? I got that gold and silver wrong. I just realized too. I also got wrong the Tesla. So 2 wrong and 1 right, and the other ones. Amazon, the market, ES, NQ, AMC. I call them all a push. So again, maybe I called it 40%, 40-60. And as you see, I keep telling you guys over and over again, with you, with me, or Senator Frog, right? Senator Frog, do you pick them better than 50-50? That's what I would know. Why don't you tell everybody how good you are? Can you? Are you capable of doing it? Tell me your answer. Can you, Senator Frog's my final question, okay? And then we're ending this show. Do you pick the direction 50-50, better than 50-50? What the hell is your answer? Senator Frog says he picks them 60%. This is why he's living on the beach with Mrs. Frog. Anyway. So listen, I want to thank you guys for our market update. We made some educated guesses. So far as you see, struggling with that gold and silver. Can't get it right this time. Maybe this week I'll get it right. But look, I'm happy for you guys in the gold and silver group. If you're still watching, who knows? You probably had it with me already. But look, I like the gold and silver higher, but I just can't get in here. I think it's going lower than near term. Anyway, so This is PK here with our show on the market update, and again, did some educated guessing because let's face it, that's what we're all doing here. I wish everyone a great weekend. A lot of action again for next week. Let's watch that Bitcoin, see it's going to follow through. I really feel it's going to. And relax, take it easy, enjoy your weekend, and I'll talk to you next weekend. Ciao, everybody.